Good morning! Unboxing. Nag-sale sa Panda. Ayan, 89 reals. So, try din naman natin para hindi na tayo prito ng chicken. Na-inlove pa naman ako sa chicken ngayon. So, much better maggamit tayo ng air fryer. So, let's unbox! Ito siya.
I claim this day with a heart full of gratitude. I am ready to receive every one of God's blessings meant for me. I declare my mornings as sacred. I declare my life as sacred. Every day I am filled with divine peace and abundance. I receive the universe's infinite love.
Malaki
I am
din.
feeling cherished and
It's
adored
6
every moment
liters.
of my life.
Kati? Si Kati. Ay.
Today I affirm my commitment to elevate my life through spirituality and
So this
mindfulness.
is it. Kati. Yes. Ay, ang ganda. Ang gandaan pa niya. Digital na siya. Like this. Ito na siya. Wow.
I am grateful for the luxury in my life.
Digital.
I insist on appreciating every moment in my life.
Paano ang buksan? Bakit
I
tayo?
proclaim myself a magnet for
Naka-plaster pa pala.
miracles.
Kati.
I'm attracting good fortune and favor in my life. I am securing my faith.
Oh, wow. Malaki din. Malaki
I
siya.
experience growth in my life.
Tapos, digital pa siya.
I experience strength every day of my life. Every day I'm enlightened. With each sunrise, I accept a renewal of hope, peace, and boundless possibilities.
So sleek. Nice and beautiful.
Every day I gain wisdom and clarity in all
Later, pag
aspects of my
gagamitin
life.
ko na, pakita ko ulit sa inyo. Or, pwede naman natin i-try.
Every day I am guided to manifest success and fulfillment. Every morning I ascend to new heights of love and wealth. I am enveloped in serenity and grace in all areas of my life.
Yun siya.
I am empowered to achieve
ganda.
greatness, and I proclaim victory over each challenge in my life.
200 degrees. 18 minutes.
I am adored by the divine,
Ganda
and
siya.
I wake up feeling strong, confident, and courageous.
Wala pa akong na-marinate na chicken eh. Pag meron, luto ako. Video ko ulit. So, follow na lang. Okay, bye guys! This is my new air fryer Prime Plus from Panda for 89 reals.
Every day I
Diba?
attract profound spiritual connections.
Not bad. Yan na guys, bili na kayo.
I accept the universe's
Bye!
guidance.
Goodbye ito, goodbye.
I find inner peace and alignment with my true purpose.